Hey, this is Trevor with SSV Works, and today on SSV TV, we're talking about radio mounting solutions for your Polaris RZR Pro XP. If you have a RZR Pro XP, you either have ride command in dash or nothing. And if you want to mount a radio, you're supposed to take this front fascia panel, drill a hole in it like this. It works, but good is not good enough. At SSV Works, we devised a proper dash mounting solution, which gives you a mounting option for this JVC style radio with a nice shroud so you can see it in direct sunlight, and even a proper metal mounting bracket that's going to mount the radio securely into the dash. Makes a much cleaner and faster installation, and it looks factory. If you're looking to add a head unit to your RZR Pro XP, then the RZ5R1 is going to be your best option, as it includes the dash mounting kit with the visor, the mounting bracket, the JVC radio, and all the wiring you need to install it with an SSV kit. It's a great starting point for a system, or to upgrade your existing SSV system. If you already have a similar styled radio, then you can get the RZ5 DMR1, which is going to be the mounting kit and the mounting bracket, allowing you to put a different radio in the car. As you can see, it's an easy mounting solution. Everything you need is included, and because of that, we rated it a simple 2-bar installation. Thank you for watching our video. Please hit like and subscribe and leave your comments and feedback. For more information, go to ssvworks.com. I'm Trevor, this is SSV TV. We'll see you out there.